I'm going to run for the door now. No, with them releasing R2, obviously Hyper-V 2, there's a lot of murmurings about how they're going to make sort of quite significant inroads potentially into the SMB market. So SMB market, pretty much everyone looks at ESXi at the moment as being, VMware's equivalent offering. Is there anything on the roadmap for potentially giving away something like vMotion with ESXi to sort of compete with Microsoft?
Yes, I actually spent a lot of time very intentionally on vMotion this morning to kind of really talk about what's important in it. And I think they're all saying, what's that? It's like that. That was kind of fun. And then for the music, I thought was really cheesy. But overall, we're trying to do a bunch of things. Obviously, we're cognizant of it. We are not going to see the small and medium market at all. In fact, most of our customers are medium-sized businesses right now. So our approach is to obviously watch on the pricing front and the feature front, and to make sure that we have things like VMware Essentials, which is a bundling approach we have, and make sure that we will always and have always waterfall features from the top rung to the lower ones as you go forward. But the VMware Go program is very interesting from my perspective, because this is really the way to do things slightly differently than your traditional VAR model for going to someone. It's how do you help them help themselves? And we're trying to create a way for them to very easily get started. And if you have heard this talked about before, the idea is that whenever people are going to download something free, they, in theory, have something they want to do with it. So can we begin to anticipate what they want to do and lead them along through very simple things? If you haven't got a chance to look at it, it's just in its first stage right now, but it's very cool. It'll essentially look at your environment, tell you if you have the compatible hardware, download, get you running, and offer you some VMs from the start. And the way we're looking overall is that we want to make it as fast as possible for you to get value out of it. So shipping it with servers, shipping it this way. But when you talk about small, medium businesses, it's really, they have the same needs as the bigger companies, they just have smaller staffs to do it. So we want to try and get availability, but make it really easy to use and keep going through those different features. So I guess it's a long-winded answer, but A, we care about this deeply and we're going to do a lot to be there. What we actually bundle where is a pretty tricky business question that we keep focusing on.
Thank you.